Alright guys, here are the 3 best things about this Pelsee 4K front and rear dash camera, okay? First, it delivers crystal clear 4K Ultra HD video resolution on the front lens, recording at a sharp 3840 by 2160 pixels with a wide 170-degree viewing angle. This camera pairs a large f1.5 aperture with 6 layers of precision optics to capture vital road details like signs and license plates with extreme clarity, even in dim or low light night conditions, right? Second, it acts as an intelligent co-pilot with a built-in advanced driver assistance system. The smart dash cam features proactive safety technologies, including blind spot detection and lane change assist, okay, that actively monitor dangerous blind spots and alert you to nearby obstacles or impending collisions when reversing or switching lanes. That's great, okay? And finally, this is perfect for daily commuters or road trippers who want a completely hands-free, well-documented drive. All right, it features built-in GPS and Wi-Fi to map your route and let you download footage instantly to your phone via the Pelsee Cam app. Right? It operates effortlessly through simple voice commands, so you never have to take your hands off the steering wheel. And it even includes a 64 gigabyte SD card right in the box, so you can plug it in and hit the road immediately. So guys, ladies, if you want a high resolution, safety focused dual camera setup that simplifies how you protect your vehicle on the road, this dash cam is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.